Excuse me.
Yes.
Would you like some coffee or tea while you're waiting?
Yes. That would be lovely. Thank you.
Would you prefer coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
And how would you like your coffee?
2 sugars and some milk.
Okay, I'm sorry, but we don't have any milk. Is Coffee Mate alright?
Coffee Mate is fine.
Okay, it's 1 coffee. I'll be right back.
Oh. Excuse me.
Yes.
Do you use fresh ground coffee?
No, we don't. We use instant coffee. Nescafe, I think.
I see. On second thought. Can I have some tea, please?
Yes. What kind of tea would you like?
What kind of tea do you have?
We have Earl Grey, green tea or Lipton.
Green tea is Chinese. Is it not?
Yes.
I'll try green tea.
Okay, would you like that iced or hot?
Iced sounds nice. Not too sweet.
1 iced green tea. Would you like a cookie?
Cookie? No. Thank you.
Okay, how about an apple?
Yes. I'd like an apple.
1 iced green tea and 1 apple. I'll be right back.
Thank you for watching channel Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.